Hey guys, welcome to my channel Bexi K Abraham, and if you've been here before, hi. So today I've decided to do a get ready with me with this really beautiful natural day look, and yeah, if you want to learn tips and tricks and if you want to elevate your natural day makeup look, keep on watching. Alright, so I've got moisturizer on already. I'm gonna start with my foundation routine. So this is the Revlon Rose Gold Hydrating Illuminating Primer. It feels a little bit sticky. It's not bad, it's not so sticky that I'm like irritated by it. It is really an incredible foundation, I would say. I mean, you can see the way it kind of just blends in. It's very sheer to buildable. I would say sheer to medium coverage. It's a really good foundation, just a very lightweight foundation. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Born to Glow. So this foundation is a really nice high street foundation. It's got a really nice, like a natural radiant finish, so it's not matte at all. Today I'm just gonna add a little bit across my face. The color is pretty much the same as the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation. So yeah, so this is the foundation. Done. I'm not gonna go crazy with powdering because I really want to keep the glowiness. The glowiness is that even a word? The dewiness. My Studio Fix compact powder. I love this powder. It's actually a medium to full coverage natural finish powder foundation. It's so nice, and the way it just sits on my face without drying it out too much, but it definitely gives that mattifying look on the areas that I want it to mattify. So now I'm gonna go in with NYX brow pencils. So this one is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and I have different colors for it. I have Espresso, and I also have the Ash Brown. Start with Ash Brown. I like the color. I like the way it looks on my brows because I have very light, sparse brows. So I'm literally just gonna fill it all in like this. Some days I can do my brows for like within like a second, and some days 3-4 hours and it still doesn't look right. I have no idea why. So it comes with a spoolie, so I'm just literally brushing it through to make sure the product is nicely blended. They're super cheap, super affordable. They're very good. I really like this color. So this MAC Blank Type, this color is really amazing for like a base. I always start with this, and I just literally apply it all over my lid and all the way up to my brow bone, and that just gives a really nice even surface to work on. Using a circular motion, just buffing it all over my eyelid. So I'm gonna go in with this pen. This is Revolution black liquid pen. So yes, whoever designed this, I need to speak to you, because wow. I mean, I love this liquid pen. It's really amazing. It's waterproof. It's transferable. It's not transferable. So it's really great. However, like, oh my gosh. Like, who designed? It's so tight. Oh my gosh, I literally cannot. I cannot. It's a chic design, but this needs to be better. It needs to be like a magnet or something where you go click, and then it can easy to pull out. First things first, I need to look in the mirror so my eyes is looking straight, and then I'm just gonna go do like a flick from the lower lash line. I'm just gonna elongate this, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. When you do a liner look, do it at the same time, and then from the outside, from the tip of that pen, I'm gonna go inward, and I'm gonna do it quite like almost like gliding it across. Gliding it like this. There you go, with my brows lifted a little bit so that I can get to my lid space. I like to just almost like create little dots, and then you kind of joining the dots together, so that makes it a bit of an easier application for you. It's gonna make your life a little bit easier. Use the side of the pen and I'm just gonna dot it. Dot, dot, tap, tap, tap. Try to get it as close as you can to the lash line because you don't want no gaps in between. Whew. If you're not very comfortable with a liquid pen or like a liquid brush, I would suggest you start with a pencil or like a black eyeshadow or like a dark brown eyeshadow with a little like an angled brush to start off with. Doing a liquid liner is a bit harder. You do have to have a bit more of a steady eyelid, and also your hand needs to be a bit more sturdy, but it helps when you're not closing your eyes and do the liner, because when you close your eyes, your eyelid will just do this. I don't know why I made that sound effect. It shakes a lot, so then it's really hard for you to do the liner. Do this motion with me, guys. Tilt. This is my daily exercise. My hubby will be proud of me. And then you look down, and then you can tap, tap, tap. So when you hold the brush, you hold it tight like you would with a pen, and then your little finger is literally on your face, whichever is easiest. You kind of like, I do it like this, so it kind of gives a bit of a, like a holder, and then you tap, you tap, you tap. Practice definitely would help. Yeah, let me do the other side now. Ooh, I'm liking my liner today. Everything is working today. Moving on, I'm gonna curl my lashes a little bit, not too much because I'm gonna put some lashes on top. So I kind of don't want to make my lashes too curly because then it's going to be really hard to put the lashes on top. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take it and I'm going to measure my lashes. Look at myself in the mirror, straight. I pop these on and I want to see where I need to cut them. Some people don't need to cut them at all, but I do because my eyes are pretty small. I just cut pretty much like half of them. Can you see I just cut about almost half of this lashes off? And let's have a look at it again, see if it works. Fabulous. And now I'm going to use the glue and I'm going to stick it on. Alright, so I'm gonna use the duo glue but in the dark because the band on here is clear, but you can pretty much, you can see it, that's only the downside of it. So you need to make sure to get maybe like a black glue to cover the band. Okay, so you need to make sure the glue is a little bit dry, a little bit tacky before you apply. Otherwise the glue is not fully like sticky yet. Then you try to put it on, it's going to get very messy. Okay, so you're just going to give it a second or two. And then we are going to put this on. I hold it like this. And then I look down with a mirror. Tilt your head up, look down. So you have that space where you can put your lashes on. It's very simple. So when you put it on, don't just go straight on. You want to have a bit of an angle like this. Bit of an angle like this. And then move your head. Yeah. They're so pretty. And now I'm going to add some mascara at the bottom base of my lashes, just so that everything's gonna blend so nicely together, and this will also reduce the chance for your false lashes to fly away when the mascara is still a little bit tacky, a little bit wet. Use your fingers, you just go pop. I need to stop using these weird sound effects. You're just gonna squeeze it together. So now they're a family. The last thing that you need to do, you need to go back with your gel, liquid liner, pencil, whatever you want. You're gonna go over the lash band. There we go. And we're done for the lashes. Then need to go back. It's like a dark brown or a black. So now I'm gonna go over with my pencil and tight line it. So it's literally just below the lash line, and then I'm just gonna use a dark brown pencil, this is from Revlon, to go over it like this, so it doesn't create this weird gap between your beautiful black stunning eyeliner, your lashes, and then you get this like this tiny bit of like fleshy color in between. No, I can't deal with it. So these are the little tips and tricks professional makeup artists would do. That's what changes the game. Eyes are done. It's a little bit of definition, bit of shape, and then a little bit on my forehead. I like to highlight first. I feel like once the highlighter is on, then you just dab a little bit of the blush, then it's done. I feel like if you put the blusher on first and then try to highlight, I feel like then I might remove the blush color, because if I put highlighter on first, I'm not taking away the color of the blusher. OMG ILLUMASQUA Beyond Powder Highlighter. I love this highlighter, it's gorgeous. So blusher, I'm just gonna go in with a cream blush. This is from Glossier and it's called Spark. Just gonna use a angled blush brush. So I'm just gonna dab a little bit onto the brush on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna dab it. My finger to just blend it a little bit. Amazing formula, not sticky, not drying. It's so lightweight, it doesn't, you can't even feel it that's on your lips. It's really, I love them. All right, let me sort myself out, and then I think we are done. Yeah, I think we're done. Okay, so this is the look. I've really had fun creating this look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so when I do upload you won't miss the content. And yeah, till next time, bye.